Found this bed this afternoon, and I spent almost 30 minutes looking for some kind of insect or caterpillar to feed it, and I don't seem to find any. It's looking for his mom or dad, and also it's hungry. So I'll keep looking and probably I find some. Oh, the mom is here. Ruthie! Ruth! Come and see the mother. Hurry up! The mother is here. So the mom is here, looking for a daughter. Come here. Come, Ruth, come. What's going up there? Oh, there too. Oh, is it the brown one chasing it? Yeah, two are same or different? Yeah, same.
Tree.
There.
It's want to fly.
Maybe the nest is in that mango tree or carina tree, if not the rain tree.
Stop licking my hand.
It's looking for food. There. It's catching its own food. The insects. As they make sound, the insects what? So it's trying to bring food for the baby. Maybe there are others there in the nest.
Oh, come here, please. Come here.
Oh, pick.
Come on, hold it, and you go wash it.
Finally made its bed. Just to sleep there. The idea is to wait for the parents, the mom or dad, to come and feed it. So hopefully the parents will come and find it and feed it. Looking for its food and couldn't find any. So the only idea is to put her in a safe place and attract the parents to come and feed it. Good morning, Betty Betty. It's about time to open the lid and your mom will come and feed you because I couldn't find any insects for you to feed on. You're still alive? Yes, it is. Well, I think you are hungry. Really, really hungry. So let's put you back and hopefully your mom will come and give you some food. The mom is here, trying to come and feed the child. You can come and feed it. I can see an insect in the beak. There, we got it. Come, come, come feed the child. Finally, the idea worked. Oh, it can fly. There. Somebody's going to hunt for another insect. She's really working hard. So I'm happy that it can fly. So from yesterday, struggling to fly, to today. Last night we put it in the container. Overnight, she was hungry, calling for food. We did search but couldn't find any. Until today, the mother got some food, and today too. Yeah, this is the second feeding. She brought the first one, it fed it, and now she's bringing the second one, and she just fed it. I don't know, the mother or father. So that's the second feeding, and she's going out again to get the third feeding. I feel just so overjoyed. Just the feeling I get from saving this bird from dogs and cat that we have in the house. Yesterday I spent 30 minutes just looking for insect to feed it and couldn't find any because I have human eyes. The birds have eye view, and they can really tell and see because they're made to see and able to find food for that. Right? So this morning when I opened the container, the mom had the voice. She went look for an insect, brought it, fed it, and the second feeding, and she'll continue to feed it until it's strong enough to fly. We'll keep the container there, and hopefully she'll return. It's up to her to decide, or up to it to decide. I feel overjoyed helping this bird.